Guys, I have been waiting to do this video for a long time now, but due to busy schedule and health problems, I was not getting a correct time to do this. So today I'll be talking about Emilla pads, which I received in like April, and today I'll be telling you my experiences about this brand. So these are basically reusable pads from the brand Emilla. This brand is based in Hungary, that is in Europe. They ship worldwide and they have their online shop of their own, as well as they have their outlets in different countries of Europe. These are reusable cloth pads which you can reuse on your periods, and you don't need to throw them up. These are gonna last for 2 to 3 years, so they are quite economical. This does not have any chemicals, so they do not react or damage your skin. I have total of 4 pads. I do have another one, but I have used it already, so I will be showing that a little bit later. So let's talk about these pads. These pads come in different sizes as well as in different absorbency capacities. So let me show you what type of pads I have. The designs are extremely attractive and pretty. They are quite comfortable, and the sizes are made according to different body sizes, so you can definitely choose the size you want for your body on their website, which is quite very user friendly as well as navigable. Right now I will be talking about the sizes available on their website. There are various sizes accordingly made for your needs. So this is the first pad I'm gonna talk about. It is a very cute design, as you can see, and here are 2 snap buttons. The size of this pad is Athene, and this size explains that it is for average regular use. The half moon here, as you can see, or the half dot, explains that it is for regular to medium absorbency. Now when you wear this pad, this printed side is gonna be near your intimate area, okay, and this normal colored or single colored side will be on your panty. Next is another pad, and this is a extremely cute design from their range. It is in the size Zelini, and it is an overnight pad. It is quite long for heavier uses. So this pad is my favorite, as you can see, and here it is written Mary Poppins, and it is very soft. The fact that it is made up of a velvety kind of material, which is explained as or named as on their website as minky fiber. There are various designs available in this fiber, so you can choose them on their website. It is of average size and full capacitancy, which is shown by this full dot or full moon. The fourth pad, again this is of the same size and same heavy flow capacitancy. As you can see, how cute are these pads. If you like cute and colorful pads, definitely you should check their website out. In Indian money, these pads cost from 500 to 600 rupees according to their length and design and sizes. So I cannot tell you which pad was what costed me, because I don't remember exactly. So the material of these pads are really good. Very high quality clothes are used for this, and definitely they are gonna last a long time if you are using them and caring for them, of course. This was my video. I do have some more materials from their website, but I'll be including those informations in part 2 of Emilla pads video. And do share your view. Which pad did you like, or do you like this kind of colorful pads for your periods? I'll encourage you to use reusable cloth pads of good quality. that would be really healthy for your body, for your environment also, because you are not gonna throw plastics every month, and also it is saving your money. You are worrying that if they are gonna leak, of course they do have a leakage proof layer, they do not leak, but you do have to check after a few hours, because like disposable pads, they also have a maximum capacity to carry. These pads are quite good at absorbency capacity, and they do carry the flow for 4 to 5 hours. Even if you have heavy flow, do use the one night pads from them, and they are gonna work magic for you. So this was my review. If you like my video, do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.